guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a very special person today, my sister Ria. Hi.
Aww.
Today we're making cookies. White chocolate, raspberry cookies. First you take a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of melted butter.
Now we're going to add a 3/4 cup of brown sugar.
Then add 1/4 cup of white sugar.
Now we add 1 whole egg. Crack it in like so.
Now 1 egg yolk.
Let's mix it up again. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour.
Now we're going to add salt and baking soda.
Now we're going to mix it until it's all combined.
Now we're going to add our favorite ingredients,
White chocolate
and frozen raspberries.
We are going to try the dough.
Yay!
Drop it.
Cracker.
How is it?
Now we're going to roll the cookie dough into balls with our hands.
We're going to bake the cookies at 350, which is 10 to 12 minutes.
Baking time!
Tasting time!
It's time to eat.
Try.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Did you like it, Zain? Did you like it, Ria?
I